Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with something for Eid special. So as you all can see, it's a simple biryani recipe. So here I'll be sharing a quick Shan mutton biryani recipe, and also I'll be sharing a fish biryani recipe that's actually fish 65 biryani. So let's get into the recipe first. So this is a Bombay biryani recipe. So this was from my sister and we used the Shan masala spice mix. So first here we have cut the potatoes and added some turmeric and salt to it and let it set for around 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll cut some onions for the caramelized onions and the masala. So as we have to cook the mutton in the pressure cooker, so we'll be preparing the masala in the pressure cooker itself. So into the pressure cooker we'll be adding some ghee and also some oil. Ghee was around 2 tablespoons and the oil was around 5 to 6 tablespoons. And next goes in 3 to 4 onions medium sliced. Now there are many other ways to make Bombay biryani, but we just try to make it simple. So just follow the instructions on the Shan biryani masala packet. When the onions are well caramelized, next we'll be adding tomatoes to it. I just missed the clip, sorry for that. So we added just 2 to 3 tomatoes chopped, and next goes in 1 kg of mutton pieces, and now mix them well. Let the masala get combined well into the mutton, and next we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next goes in 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it well, and that's me helping her. And finally goes in the Shan biryani masala mix. So no need to add any other masalas. This is a quick one and for the beginners too. Let the masala leave the oil, and by the time we'll just fry out the potatoes. Next we'll be pressure cooking the mutton. So pressure cook it for around 5 to 6 whistles. The potatoes are fried well too, and also we have to separate some caramelized onions for the garnishing. Next, moving on to the preparation of rice. So here into another pot adding hot water, and next we'll be adding some cumin seeds, 3 to 4 cardamoms and 3 to 4 cloves. Add in salt, and also don't forget to add some ghee or oil. And next goes in 4 cups of rice, washed and soaked well for around half an hour in water. And as we are using the draining out process, so no need of exact measurement of water. You can just add little water higher to the level of the rice. Now the rice is semi-cooked now, so we'll just drain it out, and here's our mutton done too. Just let the pressure release on itself and it will be perfectly cooked. Finally, moving on to the dum procedure. So into another pot we'll be adding the masala first. Next goes in the fried potatoes. Next add in the layer of rice. Now if you want, you can add 2 layers of masala and rice. It's completely your choice. Next here we'll be adding the saffron colored milk. So into the milk we'll be adding a little bit of saffron color just for the brighter look. And next we'll be adding some saffron for the essence and the caramelized onions too. Add in the chopped coriander leaves, and next we'll be adding the masala and repeating the same procedure again. Next we are adding the orange color. So into the water just added a pinch of orange food color, and this is completely optional. This usually goes in the Bombay biryani for the brighter look. So if you want, you can add this too. This is also optional. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of rose water. Finally, garnish it with some more saffron, caramelized onions and chopped coriander leaves. And also you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee too. Covering the lid area of the pot with some aluminium foil. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala on top and just cover it and dum it for around 20 to 30 minutes on very low flame and it will be done. Must say this biryani making was very quick and also yummy too. Served it with raita. So for all the beginners out there, do try out this recipe for Eid and let me know in the comment section below how did you all like it. Also, this was my sister's special and everyone at home just loved it. This was shooted, I guess, before lockdown and just wanted to post it on the right time, and here it is. The mutton biryani is done now. Moving on to the fish 65 biryani. So both look same but taste completely different. So here we have took 1 kg of fish fillet. You can take any fish too. So this was dori fish. So wash the fish pieces and spread it on a tissue paper and pat dry completely. Next, here she have used most of the time the Nellara chicken 65 masala for all the steps. So here she have added around 3 to 4 teaspoons of Nellara chicken 65 masala. So it will go with fish too, and also added 1 lemon juice and mix them well. So marinate it for around half an hour, and next into a pan we'll be adding oil, and when the oil is hot enough we'll be frying out the fish pieces. When the fish fillets are fried completely, take it out on a tissue paper. Frying out the rest of the pieces too. We'll be preparing the masala. So here into a pan we'll be adding pure ghee or clarified butter, around 2 to 3 tablespoons, and also add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So next, when the oil is hot enough, we'll be adding 4 to 5 onions sliced, both for caramelized onions and for the masala too. Add in some salt. When the onions turn caramelized, separate out some for garnishing, and next to the rest we'll be adding 2 to 3 tomatoes chopped. Cover and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. As you can see, there's no need to add any ginger garlic paste. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, into 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Next again goes in Nellara chicken 65 masala for around 1 teaspoon. And next add in handful of chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix them well, and next add in some salt. Next goes in 1 cup of yogurt. Let the masala cook well till 3 to 4 minutes, and meanwhile we'll be preparing the tempering for the fish fry. Next, into a pan, added some oil, curry leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies and mix it well. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of chicken 65 masala, and finally goes in the fish fried pieces. Mix them well and let the masala get completely coated on the fish pieces. So here's the masala completely cooked. Finally, we'll be adding the fish pieces to the masala. Mix them well carefully without breaking the fish pieces. So finally we'll be preparing the rice. So into a pot, added some water, hot water, and then we'll be adding the cumin seeds, cloves, cardamoms, bay leaves and cinnamon stick. Also added some peppercorns too. Now don't forget to check the description box for the whole ingredients. We'll be separating out the fish pieces into the separate bowl, and into the same pan we'll be leaving some of the masala and adding the rice. So we are moving on to the dum procedure. So after layering the rice, we'll be adding the fish pieces. Place it carefully. Add in the excess masala too. Again layering the rice on top of the fish pieces and masala. We'll be adding the saffron color, or also you can add the saffron water and also the orange color, just like the previous recipe, the mutton biryani recipe. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves, and next into a tempering pan we'll be adding oil and few curry leaves. Also add in some green chilies and chicken 65 masala too. So this recipe is all about chicken 65 masala. Now add the tempering to the rice. So as soon as you add the tempering to the rice, cover and dum it for around 15 to 20 minutes and it will be done. So here's the rice done. Finally garnish with some caramelized onions. Here's your fish 65 biryani ready. So hope you all liked the video and both the recipes. Do check out the description box for the exact ingredients. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.